Right. What are the boys over here in the land of the Imperial?
Well,
Ooh, hey, do you guys play the Imperial March and dress like Darth Vader and play with lightsabers and shit while you're playing with this thing?
He plays with lightsabers all the time.
I do.
Those aren't lightsabers.
Well, they're special lightsabers.
See, he's got my back. So, back
Changes
to
the
reality.
color by slipping a different type of... Never mind.
Yeah. Well, the colored ones are not that bad.
They have different flavors?
Yes, they do actually.
Actually?
This is more than Xander needs to learn, but okay.
So, we've cut out almost all of the bad crap.
Hey, look at all the BS that yesterday we were cursing. I'm
Yes.
zooming in on that, 'cause
So,
that is...
yeah, that's ridiculous. So we're almost done with proper heat shrinked, proper connections taken care of. I've got 3 left to do. Wow. This is a temporary hold until we can get a proper connector to make it.
Most Saturday nights involve a temporary hole for you,
Oh, this is true. This is true.
because you're still trying to find that perfect man.
One day.
One day. He's available, boys. Anyway.
So, we now, on the switch,
Yeah. It works the window and not the light? You're kidding me. It's chunky and kind of janky, but
You'll see.
so that no longer operates the light. Oh, that's good.
and it gets only better.
Am I gonna be happy here?
That bolt was just in the glass with no plastic.
Why is there a random bolt?
Well, it's what's holding the glass.
Yeah,
There's
but-
no plastic washer or anything.
Oh, so they just like torqued the bolt down on the glass and got
Yep.
lucky and not shattered it?
Yep.
I'm assuming this is the same jag-offs that put all that stuff in a box.
I'm sorry, you said that wrong. Jack-offs.
Yeah, I was being nice.
I'm not being nice on
It's
this one.
Friday, and we haven't had cocktail hour yet.
We haven't even had lunch yet.
I did have some leftover Del Taco from last night as a snack.
As a snack.
It was one chicken roller, okay? I can eat like
It was
15
one
of
chicken
them.
you
A full
rolled her?
meal for me is a light snack for you.
This is true.
You had a big chick and you rolled her? Is that what you just said?
And the flour, find the wet spot, homie.
I thought it was flip through the folds so you smell shit and go back one. Do you forget who you're fucking with?
John's gonna love this one because it's just back to the normal shenanigans. So some clown bolted that together. Lovely.
So I made a phone call to
You call Batman?
a mutual friend of ours.
Yeah, Batman. You call it
A
Batman.
mutual friend of ours?
Yep.
You and me?
Who's a plethora of knowledge.
Did you call... Ooh, can I guess?
Go ahead.
John Moss?
Nope.
Mr. Sherman?
Nope.
Um...
Stork.
Oh! Yeah, he would be the guy.
Yeah, he's in Pebble Beach right now.
Yes, they're all in Pebble Beach. Everybody's in Pebble Beach
I know.
but
I
us.
heard Allie's voice in the background.
Oh, everybody's together.
So,
So they've seen me... They've seen the video of me coming out of the bathroom as a drag queen.
yes, Miss Dump Truck.
You still have eyeliner on.
No, and I went back in and scrubbed again. And my eyes hurt, so I'm not doing it again.
So
I'll have to
we
cry
need to
about
get.
These windows are fine. They have their plastic washers and everything.
the correct
Yeah, those
plastic
are
roller
those
deals.
are fine. Both front ones do not.
Of course.
You check that one?
No, you're gonna make me do that, aren't you?
He's gonna check it just to be sure, but
Yeah.
the way it acts just like this one, so I wouldn't be shocked. Scotty. Are these the parts from, is this invoices from people that screwed it up?
I don't know.
Okay, I won't zoom in enough to identify the losers yet. So, Mr. Scotty. Oh, Xander, you've been
That would have hurt a lot.
What?
busy.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I am. Oh, wait.
So you got that, you took that back apart.
Yep.
Had it
So-
all nice yesterday, but we had to take it back apart to dig in.
We're missing parts.
Fun.
Great.
So, they both don't have the right thing.
No, this one does. This one's fine. This is exactly how it's supposed to be.
So it has a little plastic in there?
Yep. That's fine, but it's missing this upper piece, which is supposed to go on the bottom piece, and then you bolt them together so that you have the adjustments like this with the window. That's why this one's so perfect. But it still needs a guide for up top. That has no guides in either direction, and it doesn't have the other piece.
And it lists.
I lost my lisp when I was younger, thank you very much.
List. It's listing, not lisping, you silly.
It's like this?
No, it's like a ship where it does this stuff.
Yeah, if you go on one side of the ship, it lifts one, and then you have to be in the middle of the ship at all times.
That's why they see me towards the center of the plane.
Look at him.
It's hot, leave me alone.
Okay,
So-
and then over here,
Oh.
these wires, my shadow, that wire was routed from there and around to there. And then I was like, oh, but there's a hole here. So I routed the wire through there, which is where it's supposed to be, all the way through there. So that's all good now. And then second thing, over here, there's a bolt, a self-tapping bolt. But on this side, that piece did not have a bolt, it had a screw. So that's also fun. There's a screw that wired there. Because it goes in that hole, and then on this side, it's not in that hole. They made their own hole to put it in the frame. Who knows why, but yeah, that's where we are right now.
Because they're stupid. But,
Yeah.
so Xander's double checked all the wiring back here. We have no brakes, no butt connectors, nothing. So we're safe. So the issue with the rear lights, because if we close the doors, all the front lights go out, just the rear lights stay on.
Yeah.
So it's gotta be something at the front.
Speaking of, there is no light on the passenger side up front, just the driver's side.
So we got to try and find that as to why there's no light bulb there, because there's supposed to be. So yeah, it's still an electrical nightmare. We'll get a hold of John and run everything by him and see how he wants us to approach everything. But yeah, it's getting there slowly. Electrical's never fun, but it's very satisfying when you get it right.
Well, when we started yesterday, there was like, what, one window working?
One window opened.
Now they're all working.
Now they all
And we
open.
know that one doesn't work because it doesn't have a motor.
Yeah, somebody stole the motor out of it. So, okay, ladies and gentlemen, we will all see you next time.